So I got Ruby 2 days ago. So that's why she's a little fearful of my hands. I don't grab birds, but I do try to make them a little uncomfortable to make them adapt in new high stress situations. She's not fearful biting my hands or anything or flying away, so I'm not overstepping my boundaries by any means. What I want to do is step up. Perfect. She flew to my hand instead of stepping up. I'll take that instead. Because ultimately I want this bird to feel confident to fly to me. So skipping the step up is easy, especially if they're flighted. Let her go back down to her perch. Perfect. Give her about 10 seconds of reward time because there is rewards in that bow. Alright, perfect. Remove her from the situation. Come here. Hop up.